What's up, everybody? It is Corey here with Good Evening Tech, and today we are going to be looking at how to use the date object with JavaScript and web development. So, if you look what I have up here, you'll see Visual Studio Code open with my web browser, and all that we have for files is this app.js and this index file with a main container, and I just put hello in there. And we'll be running everything through live server. If you don't have live server on Visual Studio Code, it is right here. It's a great little thing to have, and it just runs your applications for you. So definitely get that if you're looking into web development. But going over here, like I said, we have the index and the app. But what we're going to be doing is mainly focusing on the date object itself. So this is all I have for our HTML. If you want a quick setup with this, you can use the exclamation mark for Emmet. Just hit enter, and it'll put all the boilerplate out for you. But that's enough of that. Let's go into the app. Now, first thing I want you to notice is top up here, we're just grabbing the main div. And then right here, we're setting a variable to the new date. So when you call on date like this, it'll give you the exact date and time that is given to that. Sorry, my dog's over there being crazy. But if you just call date, like initializing it, it'll give you the exact date and time. So we look over here. Let's see, the time is 5:30. All right, in 10 seconds, it should be 5:31 my time, and then it'll switch over. But as you can see, every time you update, it updates the time. So it's a static object. It doesn't update live on the DOM. That's something you'd have to do yourself. But what we're going to go over is just everything that is offered by it. All right, so let's go down the list of everything we have. So functions that are associated with this is getDate. That will return the day of the month. getDay, which returns the 0 through 6th of the week. So instead of 1 through 7, it works just like an array, and it'll do 0 through 6. Then we have get month, and then get full year, which will return the 4-digit of the year. Get hours, get minutes, get milliseconds, set date, and then set day, set month, and those are all the ones we're going to talk about. So with these, let's create an object up here. We'll say let current, we'll just say let date equals new date. Remember, JavaScript is case sensitive, so date here is different than date over here. But let's see what this returns if we write it out. The date object is, let's see what it does. If I could spell. All right, let's put paragraph tags. Let's just get rid of this, make it easier. All right, so it returns the exact same date and time as well, but we should be able to do a couple other things to it. So we'll do main div.append the date is, and then we can do date.getDate. Oh, my bad. There we go. 13. So it's the 13th day of the month. Works just perfectly like that. We're going to comment these out as we go. Main div.append the day is, and date.getDay, and the day is 6. So the day for me today is Saturday, so this goes off of a Sunday to Saturday. So 0 is Sunday, and then 6 is Saturday. So not going to go through every single function because they make sense with what they do. Let's play around a little bit with setting a date. So let's see what happens if we do main div dot The new day is date dot set date 4 or 3. Add that little plus sign in there. See what it does. And this monstrosity is the actual date. So what we'll do with this is grab that, put it up there, and do that. As you can see, it changed it to Wednesday. So if you need to set a date to not this current day, what you can do is use set date, set month, set year, and use those to set what you want the date to be shown. But you can use tricks like this just to show the date to everybody, or give a nice little good morning for whatever that person's time zone is, because what this works off of is not the server's time zone. It will use the client's. So if you have a web application that's talking to people on the West Coast and on the East Coast, you can set logic to the date object to let them know, hey, good morning, good evening, afternoon. Check when they've logged into things on their end and compare it to the server. So there's a lot of tools that you can use with this, but this is the basic date object. So if you like this video, please hit that subscribe button and leave comments down below any content you want me to cover, and I hope you have a great evening.